Hello students, welcome to RG Studio. My name is Rahul. I am a teacher. In this video, I will give you information regarding very important multiple choice questions for the entrance exam for Master of Public Health MPH and Master of Hospital Administration MHA. Here, name of the chapter is microorganisms. So in this video, information regarding microorganisms, multiple choice questions will be given, which will be very helpful for various university and institutes. Master of Public Health MPH and Master of Hospital Administration MHA entrance exams like ICMR Bhubaneswar, Common University Entrance Test, CUT PG, AIMS Raipur, AIMS Rishikesh, AIMS Jodhpur, JIPMER Pondicherry, Christian Medical College Vellore, Indian Institute of Public Health IIPH, Nimhans Bangalore, Lucknow University, Savitribai Phule Pune University, King George Medical University Lucknow, and for all other university and institutes which conducts MPH, Master of Public Health, MHA, Master of Hospital Administration, MSc Zoology, MSc Botany, MSc Biotechnology, MSc Microbiology, and other competitive exams, and students who are preparing for various university and institutes, public health, hospital administration, and other competitive exams. And for this, if they want online or offline coaching and want important questions PDF note, they can WhatsApp on 9411513974. So for online or offline coaching and important questions PDF notes, WhatsApp number is 9411513974. And for the preparation of competitive exams, there is a WhatsApp group which link you will get in description box. Kindly subscribe to the channel so that you can get the information for important videos and get the information for various admissions and jobs. Kindly like, share and comment this video. So here information regarding microorganism chapters, multiple choice questions will be discussed. In the previous video, I have given information regarding the theory part of the chapter microorganism. So in this video, information regarding the chapter microorganisms, multiple choice questions information will be given. So here first question is organisms are found in options are A soil, B air, C water, D all of these. So correct answer is option D, all of these. So microorganisms are found in soil, air, water. So all that is soil, air and water, in all places microorganisms are found. Question number second, next question is vasing contains. Vasing contains options are A dead microbes, B weakened microbes, C live microbes, D both A and B. So correct answer is option D, both A and B. So vasing contains dead microbes and weakened microbes. So both of the options A and B are correct. Vasing contains dead microbes and weakened microbes. Next question is penicillin was discovered by. Penicillin was discovered by options are A Pasteur, B Fleming, C Darwin, D Mendel. Correct answer is option B Fleming. Penicillin was discovered by Fleming. So penicillin was discovered by Fleming. Next question is a disease in human beings caused by virus is. So a disease in human beings caused by virus. So options are typhoid, influenza, dysentery, cholera. So among typhoid, influenza, dysentery and cholera, which is a disease in human beings caused by virus? So correct answer is influenza. Influenza disease is caused by virus in human beings. So influenza disease is caused by virus in human beings. Next question is the study of microorganisms is called. The study of microorganisms is called. Options are A virology, B bacteriology, C microbiology, D botany. Correct answer is option C microbiology. The study of microorganisms is called microbiology. So study of microorganisms is called microbiology. Next question is the father of microbiology is. Who is the father of microbiology? Options are A Robert Hooke, B Louis Pasteur, T Anton von Leeuwenhoek, D Khurana. So correct answer is option C Anton von Leeuwenhoek. So father of microbiology is Anton von Leeuwenhoek. Anton von Leeuwenhoek is the father of microbiology. Next question is cocci are dash shaped bacteria. Cocci are dash shaped bacteria. Options are A rod, B round, C spiral, D comma. So correct answer is option B round. Cocci are round shaped bacteria. So cocci are round shaped bacteria. Next question is typhoid is caused by options are A bacteria, B virus, C protozoa, D fungus. Correct answer is option A by bacteria. Typhoid is caused by bacteria. So typhoid is caused by bacteria. Next question is which of the following is a viral disease? Which of the following is a viral disease? Options are A typhoid, B polio, C TB, D leprosy. So correct answer is option D polio. Polio is a viral disease. So polio is a viral disease. Next question is ringworm is A N. Options are A airborne disease, B infectious disease, C non-infectious disease, D none of the above. Correct answer is option B infectious disease. Ringworm is ringworm is an infectious disease. Ringworm is an infectious disease. Next question is next question is foot and mouth disease of cattle is caused by options given are A virus, B bacteria, C protozoan, D fungi. So correct answer is option A virus. So foot and mouth disease of cattle is caused by virus. Next question is the spoiling of food is options are A physical change, B chemical change, C both A and B, D none of these. So correct answer is option B chemical change. The spoiling of food is a chemical change. So spoiling of food is a chemical change. Next question is food poisoning is caused by options are food poisoning is caused by options are A salmonella, B clostridium, C aspergillus, D all of these. So correct answer is option D all of these. Food poisoning is caused by salmonella, clostridium, aspergillus. All the given options are correct. So food poisoning is caused by all the options, that is salmonella, clostridium, aspergillus. All of these are correct. Next question is citrus canker is caused by options are A bacteria, B fungi, C virus, D protozoan. Correct answer is option A bacteria. Citrus canker is caused by bacteria. So citrus canker is caused by bacteria. Next question is the disease that can be prevented by vaccination is options are A polio, B cholera, C TB, D all of these. Correct answer is all of these. So polio, cholera, TB, these all diseases can be prevented by vaccination. Next question is pasteurization was discovered by options are A Louis Pasteur, B Darwin, C Khurana, D Hooke. So correct answer is option A Louis Pasteur. So pasteurization was discovered by Louis Pasteur. Louis Pasteur discovered pasteurization. Next question is pasteurization is done at which temperature? Options are A 100 degrees centigrade, B 30 degrees centigrade, C 70 degrees centigrade, D 45 degrees centigrade. Correct answer is option C 70 degrees centigrade. Pasteurization is done at 70 degrees centigrade. So pasteurization is done at 70 degrees centigrade. Next question is oral rehydration solution is the solution of sugar and salt in a particular ratio in the clean water. So oral rehydration solution is the solution of sugar and salt in a particular ratio in the clean water when person passes out watery stools frequently. The disease is called. So oral rehydration solution is the solution of sugar and salt in a particular ratio in the clean water when person passes out watery stools frequently. The disease is called. Options are A stomach, B dysentery, C diarrhea, D cholera. So correct answer is option C diarrhea. So question here is oral rehydration solution is the solution of sugar and salt in a particular ratio in the clean water when person passes out watery stools frequently. The disease is called. Correct answer is diarrhea. So in this video, information regarding multiple choice questions has been given for the preparation of entrance exams for MPH and MHA, Master of Public Health and Master of Hospital Administration, for various university and institutes like ICMR Bhubaneswar, Common University in Entrance, CUT PG, AIMS Raipur, AIMS Rishikesh, AIMS Jodhpur, JIPMER Pondicherry, Christian Medical College Vellore, IIPH, NIMHANS Bangalore, Lucknow University, Pune University, and all other university and institute which conducts MPH, MHA, MSc Bio, MSc Botany, MSc Zoology, MSc Microbiology, Biochemistry, and other competitive exams, and students who are preparing for various university and institutes entrance exams. And for this, if they want online or offline coaching and want important questions PDF note, they can WhatsApp on 9411513974. Thanks for watching this video.